Hello all, this is Dr. Ambika and today I will be telling you all about a few tips that will not only keep you healthy but also help you in losing weight. Food gives you energy to get through the day. Food helps to repair muscles and build DNA. Food can help your body to insulate itself and improve your health. Food can help you feel better as well as make you more attractive. Food helps your brain to function properly. The food we eat have big effects on our quality of life. From cells to organs, from brain to physical performance, food can improve all aspects of life. Do not miss the breakfast. Breakfast, being the first meal of the day, makes it the most important meal of the day. One should not skip breakfast as it helps in breaking your overnight fast. Consuming a healthy breakfast restores the glucose levels and lowers the stress levels. Without having the breakfast, the insulin level can drop and can spike after lunch, which might increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Eating a healthy breakfast which mixes various foods, vegetables, proteins helps in increasing the concentration levels and allows you to stay productive throughout the day. Skipping breakfast increases BP and cholesterol level, which increases the risk of heart attack, strokes by 27%. Starting your day with the right kind of food in the morning can help you feel energized throughout the day. If you are looking to lose weight, then don't skip breakfast. Starting the day with nutritious breakfast stimulates and motivates healthy choices throughout the day. Eating heavy breakfast can help you curb hunger throughout the day and ultimately reduce the risk of overeating and consuming more calories than needed. Total calories intake play a key role in weight control and health. If you put in more calories than you burn, you will store them as new muscle or body fat. If you consume fewer calories than you burn every day, you will lose weight. If you want to lose weight, you must create some form of calories deficit. In contrast, if you are trying to weight gain and increase muscle mass, then you need to eat more calories than your body burns. Including macronutrients and micronutrients in your diet is very important. Macronutrients are the cornerstones of our diet. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins are included in macronutrients. These nutrients are needed in relatively larger amounts. They provide energy, maintain body structure and systems. No healthy diet should exclude macronutrients from the diet. Carbohydrates are the body's primary fuel. They provide energy for the muscles and central nervous system during movement and exercise. 45 to 65% of calories should come from carbohydrates. Whole grains, vegetables, fruit, beans, etc. are the good sources of carbohydrates. Refined flours, breads, cookies, sodas, candies, etc. should be excluded in carbohydrates. Protein provides structure to the tissues, which include cell membrane, organs, muscles, skin, nails, hair, tendons, blood plasma, etc. They are involved in metabolic, hormonal and enzyme systems and also help in maintaining the acid-base balance. Meat, fish, seafood, quinoa, beans, etc. are good sources of protein. Fats. These are vital reserves within our body. Helps in insulation and protection of our organs and for absorption and transportation of fat-soluble vitamins. About 20 to 35% of daily calories should come from fat. Best sources of fat are avocado oil, olive oil, flax seeds, chia seeds, etc. Micronutrients. They are important vitamins and minerals which we require in small doses. Some of the most important micronutrients which you should know include magnesium, calcium, potassium, iron, etc. All of these minerals are essential nutrients, meaning that you must get them from the diet in order to survive. Try to base your diet with foods like vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, nuts, seeds, eggs, dairy products, healthy starches, beverages, etc. Portion control is important. By controlling your portions, you are more likely to avoid consuming too many calories. If you are overweight and trying to lose body fat, it's particularly important to monitor portion sizes. Eat at least 3 meals a day with snacks in between. Eat less salt. No more than 6 grams a day for adults. Eating too much salt can raise your blood pressure, and people with high blood pressure are more likely to develop heart diseases. Adults and children aged 11 or over should not eat more than 6 grams, that is about a teaspoonful in a day. Younger children should have even less. Limiting high and ultra processed foods. Examples: pizzas, hot dogs, fast food, various sugar based products, trans fat, refined carbs, vegetable oil, processed low fat products, etc. During processing, often important nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fibers are removed while sugar and salt is added. These foods should be limited or saved for special occasions. Slow down when you eat. Eating too quickly can lead to poor digestion. It takes about 20 minutes for brain to register that you are full. And if you are eating too quickly, then you will get a hunger satiety signal too late, usually when you are uncomfortably full. Add salad to your diet. If losing weight is your goal, you may want to start your meals with a green salad. Studies have shown that eating a low-calorie first course like a green salad of 150 calories or less enhances satiety and reduces the total number of calories eaten during the meal. If you frequently eat green salads, you will likely have higher amount of antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, folic acid, lycopene, etc., especially if you include some raw vegetables in your salad. Salad is full of fiber. Eating a high fiber diet can help lower cholesterol levels and prevent constipation. Eating more fiber can help you feel fuller, eat less, and ultimately lose weight. Even though fried foods are delicious, but they are extremely unhealthy. Instead, bake or roast your favorites like fries for a lighter and healthier spin. Combine good nutrition with other healthy habits like exercise, hydration, minimizing stress, good sleep. All these are needed for keeping you healthy and losing weight. Supplements are meant to be used in addition to a healthy diet. It is not always possible to get nutrient-dense food all the time, so supplements are required for this. If you are already making constant effort to improve your diet, additional supplements can take your health a step further. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Water is a natural appetite suppressant. It will not only help you in losing weight, but it will also flush out the waste from your body, making your body free from any harmful diseases. If you want to lose weight, then please follow these steps. It is definitely going to be very beneficial.